Okay, you're into JavaScript or front-end web dev or you're a doctor, tulad ko. At ang dami-dami mong naririnig tungkol sa AI. Gusto mong subukan, pero hindi mo alam kung saan magsisimula. O kung may oras ka pa para mag-aral ng AI or isang bagong AI library tulad ng TensorFlow. So what is the fastest way with as little or no code to train your own AI model with your own data, deploy it to the cloud, and share a functioning AI web app sa mga katropa mo? Kasi anong point ng gagawin natin kung hindi naman natin ma-share? Diba? So yan ang susubukan kong gawin on this video entitled AI RadLens Test Drive. Train, deploy, and share. Pinoy edition. Kamusta? My name is Erwin and this is my story sa mundo ng AI on my channel, Rad Horizon. Okay, so we want to train, deploy, and then share an AI model. So let's break down the problem into 3 parts. Doon tayo sa una. How do we train an AI model nang hindi nagsusulat ng kahit anong code? So paano natin gagawin to? Buti na lang may Tito Google at saka may Kuya Firefox. So sulat natin dyan. Teachable machine. Yan. Tapos, click natin yan si Teachable Machine, which takes you to the Teachable Machine website. Marami nang gumagamit ng website na ito, no? It's super fun and easy to use just to get an early start with AI without all the heavy math or coding. Sobrang galing ng mga gumawa nito, so congrats to them. Naalala ko pa yung unang AI model na ginawa ko using Python, literally lines and lines of code. Pero okay lang kasi natuto ko ng Python doon. Anyway, if familiar ka na or alam mo na gamitin ang Teachable Machine na ito, you can skip this entire part of the video and go straight to deployment using RadLens-AI, which is the app I'm working on. Yung RadLens, para siyang customizable reverse image search engine or tawag kong CRISE. Ang idea ko doon, you can scan anything you want with your phone. Tapos, your phone will try to guess kung ano yung tinitignan niya, and then it will provide a link to a Google image search para ma-check mo kung tama ba yung prediction, tama ba yung hula ng phone mo dun sa tinitignan niya. Or kung mali, maybe you can look for other things that might look like what it's looking at. So, may options ka. So, image search nga siya. Reverse image search. So, anyway, para dun sa mga hindi alam kung paano gamitin ang website na ito, let's go use it now. Click mo yung Get Started. Dun tayo sa Image Project. Dun muna tayo sa Standard Image Model. And ayan na. So, may dalawa kang classes dito. Class 1 tsaka Class 2. So, ano ba yan? Yan yung, dyan mo ilalagay kung ano yung image data mo para ma-classify ng AI yung gusto mong matutunan niya. Let's say, ano ba meron ako dito? Ito. Panahon ng pandemya, lagi tayong may alcohol. So, alcohol bottle na maliit. Tapos, ano pa ba? Meron ako dito. Ito. Rubik's Cube. Alam niyo pa ba Rubik's Cube? Papay edition. Si Papay, kilala niyo pa ba? Anyway, we'll work with these. Try natin to. So, dun muna tayo sa initial, class 1. Okay, so sulat natin dyan. Alcohol bottle. Yan. Tapos dun sa isa, sulat natin Rubik's Cube. Rubik's Cube. Okay. Pansin nyo, gumagamit ako dito ng underscore. Hindi pwedeng space. Ang teachable machine, okay lang sa kanya kung space ang ginamit mo. Pero since gagamitin ko yung AI model na matitrain dito dun sa sarili kong web app na RadLens-AI, yung RadLens-AI ayaw niya ng space. So, lalagyan ko ng underscore yung classes dito. So, ayan, may dalawa ka ng classes, alcohol bottle at Rubik's Cube. Gusto nating matutunan ng AI ma-distinguish itong dalawang bagay na ito. So, now, ang kailangan natin gawin, bigyan natin ng examples ng iba't ibang larawan ng alcohol bottle itong AI natin. So, paano gamitin yon? First, we click webcam. Yan, webcam. Hihingi siya ng permissions, no? So, allow mo lang yung permissions para magamit ng website yung webcam mo. Ayan, so nakabukas na yung webcam natin. So, pabaliktad ako, flip natin. Yan, okay. So, now, paano natin gamitin ito? So, yan, lalabas ko na yung alcohol bottle ko. Tataas ko ng konti para makita ng camera. Yan. Okay. Kita mo yung hold button. Pipindot ko hold button. Yan. Nag-generate tayo ng samples. Ikot natin konti. Ibay natin ng orientation. Gawin natin mga $200. Yan, mga 200. Bawasan natin ng isa. Yan. 200 samples. Ngayon, punta tayo sa baba. Yung Rubik's Cube naman. So, ganun din yung gagawin natin sa Rubik's Cube. Aangat ko to, no? Yan. Okay. Ganun din. Hold. Ito. Ay, sorry. I-close ko na to, no? Close. Webcam para sa Rubik's Cube. Ganon din. So, allow nyo lang ulit yung permissions. Sinet ko yung Firefox na lagi magpapaalam kasi yun nga, privacy is important. So, ganon ulit tayo. Allow. So, ayun ulit. Ngayon, okay. Ngayon, papakita na natin yung Rubik's Cube natin. Yan. Pag ready na tayo, i-click lang natin yung hold button. Ikot-ikot natin para may iba't ibang sample. Okay, 200. Ngayon, 202, bawasan natin. 200 samples each. Okay, so, close na natin to. So, may dalawa ka na ngayon. Alcohol bottle at saka Rubik's Cube. So, all you have to do is press train model. At yan, okay. Preparing the training data. So, sa ilalim niyan, bahala na yung AI matutong mag-isa. Scan niya lahat ng images at I can go through the math right now pero hindi nga yun yung point kasi ang habol nga natin is ayun, don't switch tabs. Click mo lang yung okay. Ang habol nga natin is gaano kabilis mag-deploy ng AI, not necessarily yung math muna or yung statistics. And napakabilis and it's done. Okay, let's try now. Punta tayo dun sa webcam. So, papakita ko yung alcohol bottle. So, yan, 100% alcohol bottle. Okay. Hanap natin yung Rubik's Cube. Yun, Rubik's Cube, 100%. Akin. Mukha. Yan, 100% alcohol bottle. Tapos ito, 100% Rubik's Cube. Okay. So, off na natin to. So, ganun lang kadali, no? Ang gamitin ang ano na to, ang website na to. So, may model ka na. Ngayon, ang tanong, it's stuck in this website or is it? So, kasi 'di ba ang goal natin is train an AI model. So, how do you deploy this AI model to the cloud and then share it with others? So, technically, si Teachable Machine, may ganun na siyang paraan. You can go here, export model. Ayan, may options pa siya. Again, meron siyang options if you're a front-end web developer. You can try this code, copy-paste it. Pero kasi may nagawa na ako at ang gusto ko lang yung model at ma-deploy dun yung model, no? So, you have options to download locally if you want to work with the model locally, or you can upload with a shareable link. So, gagamitin mo lang yung link na yon at ilo-load ng app yung model mo na nakastore sa cloud, which is what I plan to do with RadLens-AI, na hoping if anyone else trains their own model, the RadLens-AI web app can also use more models that anyone can train using Teachable Machine. So dito tayo sa upload my model. Yan. Uploading. Okay, so nakita na natin, napakabilis, na-upload na niya yung model, binigyan ka na niyan ng link na ito. I-copy natin to, ha? Copy. Yan. So, now that I've copied that, I can use that. Open this. Paste and go. Ayun lang ulit. Allow. Stop. May pre-made na siya ng app yung kanina nakita nyo. So, i-flip nyo lang yan and you can do the exact same thing. Show it it says alcohol. And show it the Rubik's Cube. 100% Rubik's Cube. Okay. So, technically, yung Teachable Machine mismo, you can deploy it already. And if you have the link, you can just share this with your friends. So, technically, tapos na yung original target goal natin, di ba? Which is to train and then deploy and then share. But I want to take this one step further kasi I have my own AI web app that I'm trying to develop. Yun nga, it's a reverse image search engine na customizable, so C-Rise. So I'm going to use the link the Teachable Machine provided and plug it into that web app. So basically, Google will still be the search engine. The RadLens-AI web app will just provide the reverse image search functionality. So, isipin mo na lang na may tinrain kang model, tapos yung Google search results will be based on the model that you trained. So, you can customize it. So, yun yung parang goal ko with the RadLens-AI web app. But that's will be a topic for the next video, which will be part 2 of this series. To summarize, so for part 1, we basically focused on training, deploying, and sharing using the Teachable Machine website. And we did that without writing any kind of code. So wala tayong sinulat na HTML, wala tayong JavaScript, walang CSS, wala tayong sinulat na Python. At kita nyo naman, sobrang galing ng Teachable Machine na website. You should definitely check it out and experiment on your own. Anyway, baka pagod na rin kayo, but if you're still interested in how I plan to use the AI model from Teachable Machine and plug it into my own RadLens AI web app, Or baka kayo mismo may sarili na kayong teachable machine AI model na gusto nyong subukan paganahin sa RadLens AI. Feel free to check out the next video where I plan to show what I've added to the RadLens AI web app and why I plan to develop it further, hopefully as a potential customizable reverse image search engine or CRISE using the power of Google image search. So before I go, I'd just like to clarify that in this video, I tried to show you just how easy it is to train, deploy, and share our own AI model. But in reality, for professional use, hindi siya ganun kadali. Especially for more highly specialized domains like healthcare, medicine, and radiology, which is my subspec as a doctor. Para dyan, you need a really good team of experts. So the key word is team. So maraming tao ang involved. Tulad ng data scientist, computer scientist, statistician, and if ang field ay radiology, you need a radiologist, also known as the domain expert. So this is also one reason why I started this series of videos, so I can eventually discuss some of the more difficult issues regarding AI when it comes to my specific field of radiology. Pero bago yung mahirap, dun muna tayo sa madali, which is how to train, deploy, and share our own AI models. Salamat sa time. My name is Erwin. I'm a radiologist from the Philippines, and this is my story sa mundo ng AI on my road to the rad horizon.